Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to introduce you to week 5. So once again, first go to weekly content. That'll give you your list of things to do. So it'll be just make sure you can just check mark all that stuff off. So you got a lecture about demonstrative pronouns, and then a quick quiz, frequently misspelled words, quick quiz. You have 2 texts to read and annotate. Again, these have to do with race and discrimination. We're continuing the theme from last week. This, I believe, is due Wednesday. The recording is also due Wednesday. Article Reflection 4, which is on one of these texts, is also due. That's Sunday. Race Card Project, the initial post is due Friday, and then the response to 2 peers is due on Sunday night. So please keep reading Indian Horse. Make sure you pay special attention to any themes regarding education, race, environment, or incarceration. Then after you check out the checklist, go to assignments. Everything for week 5 is here. You have the lecture and you have the quiz. So here's the lecture, here's the PowerPoint, here's the quiz. Same thing with frequently misspelled words. Here's the lecture, here's the quiz. The texts are here, how to do in case you forget, how to do the annotations. There's the podcast and there's the PowerPoint. What else do I need to tell you guys? Final draft, this is the Dropbox, and then the final draft, this I believe recordings, that goes on the discussion board. And just make mention to 2 peers what you thought you liked about their recording. And I think that's about it, you guys. Please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, and I hope you have a great week.